Holly McKhann coming to you from Aliso Viejo today with this beautiful 2-bed, 2.5 bath condo spread out over 2 stories and 1,301 square feet. This is a great unit that has no one above or below it, so you don't have to worry about noisy neighbors above you. Let's take a look at all the details. As you enter the home, you're in the living room that also looks out onto your private enclosed patio. The living room also has a cozy fireplace to keep you warm on those cold winter nights. The living room flows into the dining area that's also open to the kitchen. You get a really nice open concept here in this home. The kitchen has been beautifully updated with contemporary wood shaker cabinets, quartz countertops, and stainless steel appliances throughout. I especially love the glass upper cabinets. One feature I especially love about this home is you have private laundry inside your unit, not in the garage, but right off the kitchen. Upstairs, this is one of the secondary bedrooms. Both bedrooms have really tall ceilings and lots of natural light. The primary suite also enjoys really tall ceilings, lots of natural light, and it flows right into the bathroom. The bathroom has a walk-in closet, a separate toilet room, and a dual vanity with gorgeous quartz countertops. Just imagine relaxing on your private patio. It's got a nice hall wall that gives you all kinds of privacy. You can have a barbecue, a dining table, or just hang out and relax. You can entertain friends or just come out here by yourself in your private little space. And if you didn't know, you're very close in this home to the Aliso Viejo Town Center that features a movie theater, multiple restaurants, grocery stores, shopping, all kinds of things. Also, you have tons of hiking trails and you're very close to the toll road, so you've got easy commuting as well. If you'd like a private tour of this home, make sure you contact me right away because it's going to go fast.